When you start working with ChatGPT or Gemini or any large language models, have you noticed one thing? You give a prompt, it gives a response. You give the same prompt to the same AI, it gives some slightly different responses. Sometimes it gives very precise answers, just like an accountant. Sometimes it gives an entirely varied response, just like a writer. Sometimes just cooks up completely nonsense information. Why is it so? Think of this fan regulator. Suppose we increase the volume slightly, you could notice that fan is moving slowly, precisely, and in a predictable fashion. Suppose we increase it, it moves fast, and suppose we increase to the highest one, and correspondingly the variability is more. And in large language models, there is a setting which works similar to this, and this setting is called temperature. It provides either the accurate, predictable, similar responses or varied, novel or creative responses each time. Let us explore the concept of temperature, which could be able to provide different responses to the same prompt in this episode of Truly AI. I am Dr. C.B. Abraham. Here we have 4 glasses and some water to be poured into it, as well as we have a sentence to be completed. I feel. We want to fill up the full sentence. I want to identify what is the next possible word. Suppose the possible words are the first one, that is called happy, second one joyful, third one excited, and the fourth one confused. Remember, large language models is trained on huge amount of data, and suppose these are the only possible 4 words corresponding to this I feel. Therefore, after I feel, these are the possibilities or probabilities of these words. Then suppose we look at the probability. In order to make it simple, we take this probability to be around 0.5. That means 50% of the time happy is the word coming after I feel. This is around 0.3. That means 30% of the time the joyful comes. This is 0.15. That means excited. And finally 0.5, very less chance of this being picked up, that is nothing but confused. Therefore 50% happy, 30% corresponding to joyful, 0.15 corresponding to excited, and 0.5 corresponding to the final one, that is nothing but the confused. That means most of the time happy is the choice, and very rarely this confused comes. Therefore, this is about the training data, the large language models. Therefore, in usual circumstances, I feel should be filled up mostly by happy, because the probability is more to that. And that is the case when we have a temperature, the low temperature. When the temperature is 0 or close to 0, very low value, the selection is precisely based on the probability, and correspondingly the one having more probability will be picked up. Therefore, when we have the same question again, I feel, next time more chance that happy will be taken each time, because each time that picking up is based on the probability. That is corresponding to the low value of temperature. Then consider higher value of temperature. When the higher value of temperature comes, everything will be having some equal chance. The probability takes a backseat, and correspondingly having a small probability 0.05 will automatically considered. Therefore, there is a possibility that the confused also will be part of the selection. Therefore, when we have higher temperature, almost all the possible things will have an equal chance, and correspondingly that one among them could be able to be picked up. Remember, temperature doesn't change the probability remains same, but which one is selected is differing corresponding to the temperature value. Lower the value, full importance is given to the probability, we could be able to get the same response. When you have a higher value of temperature, then almost everything will have equal chance. Correspondingly, more varied, more creative selection will be done. Correspondingly, the output generated by AI also will be different. Therefore, when we have I feel confused, remember, temperature is very high. Suppose here we have 4 options with the probabilities 0.5, 0.3, 0.15 and 0.05, very low probability. Then in which situation we use low temperature and what cases we will be using high temperature? Let us see 3 different use cases. Use case 1, that is the precision. Suppose we want to write an email to your boss giving explanation about why your job could not be able to complete it on time. Therefore, you will be giving very precise, accurate explanation, and correspondingly, we don't require much variation. At that time, we will be focusing on the factual thing. Therefore, we will be using the low temperature. At that time, anything which involve highest probability will be picked up, and correspondingly, we could be able to have the precise answer. Therefore, wherever you want to have precise responses, and we could be able to use low temperature. Using low temperature, the possibility having the higher probability will be picked up each time. Let us look at the second use case, that is creativity. Suppose we want to have the AI to generate a poem or a novel for you, and it has to be more creative, more novel, very engaging one. At that time, we could be able to use the temperature to be high. Having temperature high means each one of them has equal chance to be picked up, and each time we could be able to have the different output come, and correspondingly creative responses could be able to be created. That when we have more creative use cases, we could be able to use high temperature. Then let us look at the third use case, that is exploration. Exploration involves brainstorming. We have to look at the different possibilities and we want to identify the one having the better possibility of selection. At that time, we could be able to use, say, high value for the temperature. Correspondingly, we could be able to look at the different possibilities and we could be able to identify the one which is having the best possible choice to selection. This way, we could be able to tailor the value for the temperature. The lower the value of temperature, precise and expected output could be able to be expected. And high temperature, each time we could be able to get a varied response. That way we could be able to adjust the value of temperature according to our requirement. Let us see the temperature in action. Here we have a simple question, what is the capital of India? And we give this to ChatGPT and it could be able to provide the answer as New Delhi. And suppose we copy and paste and run it again, and we get again the capital of India is New Delhi. We do it again and the capital of India is New Delhi. We are corresponding to the same question, same model, response remains the same because temperature value is low, and the system could be able to automatically capture the type of the question and it could be able to understand that we expect the precise and correct answer each time, and correspondingly it could be able to provide a low temperature close to 0 to the model, and correspondingly it could be able to provide the answer same New Delhi each time. Here is the question. Write a short paragraph in 3 lines about a rainy evening. Then here we have the response. A gentle rain draped the evening in a soft silver glow, etc. Suppose we copy and paste the same response. Are we getting it or not? Here is the response. The evening sky turned grey as soft rain began to fall. It is entirely different. Let us have the same prompt again. Raindrops painted evening in soft rhythms, dancing in windows and silent streets. Entirely different response. Suppose same response again we are getting or not, corresponding to the same question. The rain began just as evening settled in. Look at this. Corresponding to the same prompt, the same model provides different answers each time because the temperature value is high. The model, based on the question, it could be able to select that we require novel, varied and creative answers, and correspondingly it has provided the temperature value as high, and correspondingly it could be able to provide the respective answers different each time. Therefore, the modern such AI systems could be able to automatically capture the type of the questions we ask and correspondingly assign the respective value for the temperature. And it is possible for us also to provide the temperature as we want when we use little more sophisticated systems. Therefore, temperature decides what we get. When we talked about temperature, you must have noticed we mentioned a number, sometimes 0.0, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8, etc. Yes, temperature is a number. Usually it varies between 0 to 1. Some modern systems uses numbers slightly greater than 1 also. But usually close to 0 temperature value means we could be able to expect precise responses. Value close to 1 means we could be able to get varied, novel, creative responses. Therefore, here is a thumb rule. Anything we want to have much more precise, accurate, similar responses each time, you could be able to use the temperature value between 0 to 0.3. Suppose we want to have much more balanced, slightly varied responses, at that time we could be able to use a temperature value between 0.4 to 0.7. Suppose we want to have much more varied, novel and creative responses each time, it is advisable to use a value for the temperature to be from 0.8 to 1. Don't by heart it. If you want to have accurate, precise response, then use temperature value to be close to 0. We want random, novel, creative one, use the temperature value to be 1. Yes, AI is working on the probability of the training data, the words it encountered as part of the training, on which we have absolutely no control when working with AI. But yes, we could be able to make the behavior of AI changes according to our requirement by using that knob called temperature. By making it smaller value, we could be able to expect the precise, accurate information each time, and by changing the temperature to higher value, we could be able to make the novel, creative and much varied responses each time. Therefore, we could be able to make the behavior of AI according to our requirement by changing the parameter called temperature. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, truly AI.